screen in the newsroom. Hardeep, I believe you have some more information for us. Over to you now.
Yes, Athar, very worrying news actually coming in, and to put all rumours to rest, Amitabh Bachchan, the veteran actor himself, tweeted. He was the first person to come out and tell all his contacts to go and get themselves tested. So this is the tweet that came in about 50 minutes back, and here he admits that he has been tested positive and that he has been shifted to the hospital informing authorities, family and staff have undergone tests. He also says that the all his contacts who he met in the last 10 days need to be he's requested all of them to get themselves tested. Now this news has driven the social media, it's got it really worried, from politicians to all Bollywood actors. Everybody has come out and expressed their concerns, and from Lara Datta, she was one of the first celebrities to have tweeted about Amitabh Bachchan's health, and given the fact that he is septuagenarian, he falls in the vulnerable category, so that makes it a big cause of concern for not only the entire country but also people abroad. And if you remember that other big actors like Tom Hanks and other celebrities too have tested positive in the past. At the moment we have got shots of him being driven to the Nanavati hospital in Mumbai. He was accompanied by his son Abhishek Bachchan, who was seen in the white Range Rover right beside his father. And if you look at those shots closely, you will realize that Amitabh Bachchan looks quite frail. However, as of now we are not very sure of the kind of symptoms that Amitabh Bachchan was facing, because of which he was admitted to the hospital. So those details are awaited. We have our colleagues Kajal just about to reach the hospital at the moment in Mumbai, and that's the kind of... In fact, Kajal is live with us right now. Kajal, can you take us through what is happening at the moment at Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai?
Well, he has been admitted right now at Nanavati Hospital, and as is the procedure, he will be kept in isolation for the next 14 days, where he will be given medication for the symptoms that he may be showing. See, that is the normal procedure for treating for coronavirus, that you treat the symptoms because there is no medicines, so to say, as of now for the disease itself. Ample care will be taken because, as you rightly mentioned, he's a senior citizen, and that's why the doctors will take ample care of any requirements that he may need, and also his vitals will be continuously monitored because of this. And given the fact that the disease is known to be slightly harsher on senior citizens, that is why Amitabh Bachchan's health will be monitored very closely by a team of doctors. I've been told that a special team of doctors has been constituted by Nanavati to take care of the veteran actor. His family also concerned. His son Amitabh Bachchan had gone there to drop him off at the hospital. We are not yet clear whether any of the family members are going to be given a separate space in the hospital, because as usually the norm is that the COVID positive patient is isolated and only the doctors go to see them. The family members are usually not allowed. But given the fact that all of his family members have and staff have also undergone tests, so they also will be isolated, perhaps home isolation as of now, until the results come in. And that is what we are being told right now. So Amitabh Bachchan there admitted at Nanavati right now, and all care being given to the veteran actor, right, to treat any symptoms that he may have, and for 14 days, of course, as is the norm, he will be kept in isolation.
Right, Kajal, stay on with us. Let me go back to my colleague Hardeep, who is still live with us. Hardeep, could you also take us through the tweet that was put out by Amitabh Bachchan's Twitter handle, explaining to us that, how he has tested positive for coronavirus himself. He informed his fans, and ever since this news came out, everyone got really worried. So firstly, take us through what exactly was there in that statement.
Absolutely, Hina. This is something that a very responsible, very responsible behavior by Amitabh Bachchan, because he has tried to dismiss all kind of rumors floating around his health condition, which is why he took to Twitter to speak about his own health, and he's the one who first admitted on Twitter. He took to social media. He knows he has a huge following there, and he is the one who said that he has been tested positive. After that, he made the most important statement. He said that in the last 10 days, whoever has contacted him, they need to go to the hospital right now and get themselves tested. So that is extremely important. That is a very strong message coming out from Amitabh Bachchan, a very responsible message at that. And soon after that, we saw shots of him being driven to the hospital, and he was taken in a Range Rover. His son and perhaps his wife are accompanying him at the moment. He's been admitted to Nanavati Hospital. And after that, I have the tweet with me right now, and he says this tweet came in about at 10:52 this evening, and he has admitted on the tweet that he is tested positive and that he's been shifted to the hospital, and all those who have undergone tests, who were in close proximity with him, their results are awaited, and all those who have been in close proximity to me in the last 10 days are requested to please get themselves tested. So that's the most responsible thing that he has done as a citizen, given the fact that he's 77 years of age. He's a septuagenarian, so he falls in the most vulnerable category. So which is why a lot of Indians and of course people abroad have shown concerns, because this is one category of citizens who are most vulnerable to this novel coronavirus.
All right, Hardeep, stay on with us as we tune in, and all the viewers who are tuning in right now to this special emergency broadcast. Let me also tell them my colleague Hila Gambhir, Hardeep, along with Kajal, who's on the ground, also join us right now. If you're just tuning in, we can tell you Amitabh Bachchan, the doyen of Indian cinema, a well-liked personality, a septuagenarian, has just announced on Twitter that he is indeed COVID-19 positive. He's been taken to hospital, and we'll get you those visuals as soon as we can. But for the time being, what we can tell you is relatively stable condition. Those are the visuals on your screen right now. I believe we are playing those visuals as we speak. He's been taken to Nanavati Hospital in Mumbai, and he is relatively stable right now. So as Hardeep, my colleague, was pointing out right now, he did the absolute right, responsible thing. He immediately culled all and any rumors that were going on about his health in the grapevine, announcing on Twitter a few minutes ago that he is indeed COVID positive, and also putting out an appeal in the same tweet suggesting that anyone who's been in close proximity with him or has contacted him in the past 10 days must get themselves tested. His family, his immediate family who live with him, obviously are going to get tested as well. That is procedure, that is norm. He is, of course, over 70, so he does fall in the most vulnerable category. But again, to put any rumors to rest right now, and anyone who might be perhaps extremely worried about the health of Mr. Bachchan, he is relatively stable as of now, as we speak. He's been accompanied by his family to Nanavati Hospital, where he will get admitted tonight and will be quarantined, as is the norm and the procedure in these cases. Again, I'll stress on two very important points right now. One, that he was the first one himself to confirm that he is indeed COVID positive. And two, he's asked anybody who's been in contact with him, in close proximity with him, along with his family, who will obviously get tested, but anyone who's come in contact with him for the past 10 days must also get tested. Let's go across now to more voices joining in right now. Mr. Dubey joins us on